Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are going to be doing a mermaid set. We are using these long stiletto tips that you can get from IdleGirl.co.uk, and I'm working on Bella today from the Pooch's Nails Realistic Practice Hands. This purple shade here is called Surf, and this is Glam and Glitz. There's also Obsessive Compulsive by Glam and Glitz, and you can get these from nailtechnetwork.co.uk, and you can get 6% off using my code IdleGirl. All the links are down below. I'm also using the Mere Secret White Acrylic that you can get from IdleGirl.co.uk, and the Mere Secret Clear Acrylic Powder you can also get from my website, IdleGirl. I'm then also going to be adding a little bit of sparkle with this purple and silver glitter, and then this one from Neo Nails called Disco Diva, which I just love. So let's get into these nails, you guys. So this is a mermaidy inspired look, and we are going to be using some mermaid decals later on too. So I'm firstly just taking this purple colour and I'm just like stroking it down in a diagonal kind of way, not being super straight, it's not like harsh lines and perfect straight lines. And then I'm going to go in with the blue, and I'm basically just doing the same thing with the blue, and then I'm also going to go in with the white. I think these colours went really well together too. And then I'm just going to be leaving the tip clear because you guys know I love a little glass nail, so that's what we're doing here. Moving on to the next nail, and we're gonna do some marbling. Obviously that was gonna happen. I literally marble in every set that I do, and I'm just taking all three of the colours, I'm just blobbing them on, and then I'm just swishing them together and getting a nice marbly effect. On this nail I am gonna leave the tip glass and clear again. I'm just gonna take it down quite far, but then just leaving the tip a little bit clear. The next nail is also going to be marble, but this one is actually just going to be a full marble, so there's not going to be any clear tip on this nail. And yeah, I'm just doing the same thing. I'm just popping each blob on. I always say blob when I marble. Obviously it's a bead, but it's not like a bead because it's so wet. It's more like a blob. Y'all know what I'm saying, right? So I basically just take the beads, very wet, and I'm just putting them on. I nearly said blobbing them on. Apparently I like the word blob. I'm just popping them on there, very wet, and then just swirling them together with the point of my brush. And this is just going to be for the whole nail. This nail is I don't know what you would call this. I think that this is a marble nail, but just completely different kind of marble. I don't think it was planned on being a marble nail, but this actually did end up being my favourite one. It's basically like the liney marbles, so I'm basically just lining the colours up and just putting them on diagonally. And kind of, I guess, kind of marbling them together again. But, again, like, it does have a completely different look to the other marble nails. So, yeah, I guess you probably would call it a marble nail, maybe. And again, this one, I'm just taking it all the way to the very edge and not leaving any clear. I do really like the way that nail looks. I just really like the way it came out. So, yeah. So, I'm now going to go in with Disco Diva. I don't think I use the other silver and purple one. I think I was kind of thinking about it, but in the end, I think I just ended up using the Disco Diva. So I'm just taking it on and I'm placing it mainly where the lines connect together. And I do think this added such a nice effect. I do really like that nail as well. So on this marble nail here, I'm going to add a wee little bit of glitter. Just really quite randomly on this nail. There's not really much like, what's the word? There's not really any like routine to it. I'm just placing it wherever I fancy placing it, basically. I'm also going to take the glitter onto the index finger, and again with this one I'm just going to place it on and kind of put it in more in like joins. So I think that's kind of like the best way to do it with marbling. Kind of place it along like lines and like a specific colour. So like with this one I keep it mainly where the purple is, if that makes sense. And I really liked the way this nail turned out, you guys. I'm now going to go in and cap all of the nails using the clear. I sped this up quite a bit because I wanted to keep it in for you guys, but like not have it too long. The longer nails do take me longer to cap and I do struggle. However, I feel like this one went quite smoothly. I managed to keep the design quite thin and it made it a lot easier when it came to capping. So maybe that might be something for you guys to think about if you're struggling with it. But yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch me cap the nails. Once they're all capped and I'm happy with like the coverage, I'm then going to go in and file. Just my usual filing routine, sidewalls, cuticle, contour, all that jazz. And just go over until I'm happy with like how shapely they look, I guess. Nice long extreme stiletto nails. I'm going to be using these Mermaid Decals by the Queen of Decals here. So I'm basically at this point just picking the ones I want, and I'm just cutting them out and putting them in a little bowl of water so that they can get ready. And then I go on and buff over all the nails, make sure they're all nice and smooth. I then go and wipe over the nails with acetone so that, you know, we can get rid of all the dust and smooth it out a little bit. So what I decided to do then was paint over the two nails that I'm going to put the decals on with paint over. I guess I'm painting. I'm basically just top coating them with my Colour Couture top coat and then curing, and then I will go in with the decals and then obviously top coat afterwards. Now I have been speaking to Bev, who makes these amazing decals. I've been struggling with it. It's like I'm very, very new to decals, and they go on okay on this set, but like this one here that I'm putting on now, it kind of like crinkles up a little bit and just doesn't seem to stick, if that makes sense. I have been speaking to Bev though, and now I've got some good ideas of how to do it properly, so I cannot wait to do some decals in the next set. And I will probably be doing it a little bit different to this. Also, thinking about it, I might have cured this nail for too long. I'm thinking maybe when you do this, don't cure it for too long so that there is still a good sticky layer there so that you can stick the nail on. That's just something that I've just thought of now, and that might be something that I did. So yeah, I can't remember how long I cured that for, but maybe try to do like half a cure so that it's still nice and tacky. So I'm then going in with that top coat, and I'm just going to top coat over all of the nails and make sure they're all nice and smooth. I like to do underneath the nail when I'm doing a glass tip as well, so that's just something to think about. And I'll just let you watch the sparkly top coating. And this is the finished result, you guys. What do you think? Do you like them? I really like these decals. I'm going to be using them a lot more in videos, especially now that I think I might have an idea of what I've been doing wrong. Yeah, I think they're super cute. I really like these nails. They're nice and long. Please leave me your comments down below giving me your advice on what you think about them. If you've got any requests of nails you want to see in the future, please leave them down below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up because that also really helps me out. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and join our little family. And you guys, I love you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!